This step-by-step video describes how to install Primero locally on a single computer. This is done using a virtual machine. VirtualBox is the preferred software for this. Primero is an open-source software and cannot be run directly on a Windows PC. A virtual machine is a software program which can be run on any type of operating system, such as Linux, Mac OS, or Windows, and which simulates the Linux operating system that Primero is designed to run on. Installing the virtual machine will allow Primero system administrators to make and test Primero system configuration changes. The virtual machine is not online, but it serves as a sandbox for testing and training that will allow us to securely and safely manage live Primero instances. Changes made to a virtual box are to be tested thoroughly in a local environment before pushing to production. Go to your browser and download VirtualBox at www.virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. Please note that you may need to enable virtualization for your computer. Depending on your computer model, please web search how to enable virtualization. I'm going to search how to enable virtualization for my Lenovo computer. I can search through the results to find the correct solution. You may be required to do this for your computer. Your computer's BIOS is the first thing that loads when you start your computer. It initializes your hardware before booting an operating system from your hard drive or another device. Many low-level system settings are only available in your BIOS. You may need your organization's IT staff to help with this, as administrative permissions are required. In this case, I'm going to select the Windows Platform package to download as I'm using a Windows PC. The download may take some time to complete. Once the download is complete, follow the prompts. The Primero team will share a large .ova file via a link, which allows you to save the file to the computer. A .ova file is an open virtual appliance package, which is a pre-configured virtual machine image file consisting of everything that the virtual machine needs to function. Once the installation is complete, open the .ova file provided to you by the Primero team. You can do this by double-clicking on the file to import it into the VirtualBox. Once the window pops up, you can change the name of the virtual system by clicking on the name. I'm going to rename the system to Import Test. Please note that the import may take some time to complete. Once the virtual machine is imported into the VirtualBox, you can double-click on the virtual machine's entry in VirtualBox to start it. Once the virtual machine has started, you will see a command line, and once the code reads the word login, you can proceed. Keep this window open for however long you want to run the application. You are also required to accept the Windows security alert if prompted. Once you have the virtual machine running, you can access Primero by opening up your browser and going to https://localhost:11443. Once you are on the site, the page will indicate that the site is insecure since it does not have an SSL certificate. You will be required to click Advanced and then indicate that you would like to enter the site anyways. Once you're logged into the system, use the administrator documentation to give you an idea of how to start configuring the system. When you want to turn off the virtual machine, Simply go back to the window that appeared when you first started the virtual machine and click the X in the top right-hand corner. You will see a confirmation modal asking if you want to save the machine state. Select Power off the machine.